Welcome to superherojjkids channel. Guess what, everybody? Superhero JJ now has available her Christmas coloring and puzzle book. Yes! And guess what? It is available on Amazon platforms. So, what are you waiting for? Get your copy now. Superhero JJ's Christmas coloring and puzzle book is an excellent educational and fun activity workbook for children and the entire family, keeping you engaged and entertained. It's filled with beautiful illustrations, including Santa and his reindeers, the gingerbread man, and guess